What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Okay, I know I haven't done a video in a while. I'm sorry. I'm really bad at uploading. But somebody messaged me today and told me I need to make more videos. You know who you are, so I'm making this video. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website using just Scratch and one other small platform. You don't even need an account for it. It's free. It's easy. So start off by creating a new project. Now, in this project, you can pretty much build whatever you want. So I'm just going to set up like a basic website. So just add a title, make it red. My site. This is just a quick example for all of the people watching my site. And then you can like create a header if you want, add whatever you want. I'm just going to add some random sprites that kind of look, big button. And then another sprite. Button 3. 2 buttons. And then 0. And then put this one on 0. Oh. 51. I cannot do Scratch. Okay, anyways. And we'll add one more sprite to make it interesting. Okay, not that sprite. Boom. Earth. 0. Okay, now we have our site. Let's add a little bit of interactivity. So let's come over to here. When green flag clicked, forever. And then we'll do if else. So we'll do if, touching mouse pointer. Then change. Then we're going to want to find brightness. Or actually set brightness effect to 25. And then else set brightness to 0. If we start this, boom, hover effect. Now what you're going to want to do is, if this sprite is clicked, we're just going to say, this site works. Okay, so we see it here. So now we want to save the project, and you can add whatever you want to this. Everything works, even cloud variables, custom blocks. You can even use some of these extensions. So what you're going to want to do then is you can give the project a name. I'm just going to call it test site. And you have to make sure it's public. So hit the share button. You can unpublish it later. So the link to this project will be in the description. So yep. Test site. Boom. Anyways, now you want to go ahead and copy the project ID at the top here. So copy that. Now come over to this website. The link will be in the description, toggled.tech/scratch. And it's going to say create beautiful sites in Scratch. And you can just click the create site button. Now a little prompt is going to come up asking you to put in your project ID. So I'm going to paste it in here and hit OK. I'll give it a few seconds and it will redirect you to your brand new created Scratch project. As you can see, if you highlight over it and click it, this site works. So it is a fully fledged website. You can now send this URL to anybody. And yeah, that's it. That's how to create a website in Scratch. I know this video is a little longer than my other ones, so thank you for watching. I'll see you again in the next one.